I'm Bob Caselli, President of Blue Sea. If you are responsible for or have a stake in sales and service for your organization, this video demo is for you. Would you like to see substantial, immediate improvements to your organization's sales performance? And what if these improvements were not short-term, but were ongoing because your operational departments are better at what they do, including better service and greater customer satisfaction? blueButler works with your existing phone system and automatically records and embeds in Salesforce operational phone calls of your service and sales teams, order desk, and management. While recording calls in a business environment is not a new concept, automated recording of calls in operational activity and embedding the recordings in your work activity is a game changer. Until now, typically, only calls in a formal call center were recorded, and then the recordings were available only to a few and were difficult to get at. Now each user has immediate access to all their own recorded calls and recordings that others have chosen to share in Salesforce. In real time, sales, service, order desk, and management have at a click, anytime, anywhere access to all of the operational call recordings shared in Salesforce accounts, contacts, opportunities, and cases when the information is needed. They will have information they never had before that is critical to making them better at what they do. Better, more timely information in the hands of your operations teams means more effective collaborations, informed and faster decisions, faster case resolutions, shorter sales cycles, and much greater insight into sales forecasts. Sales, service, order desk teams, and management can use the information simply by clicking play.
Richardson Industries, Julie speaking.
Hi Julie, it's John from Blue Sky returning your call.
Hi John, thanks for getting back to me.
No problem.
I want to let you know we have received a proposal from one of your competitors, and I was wondering if you could offer something similar.
Let's see, what exactly does their proposal include?
Is it that easy? It absolutely is. This part of the video will show you how blueButler works to empower your operational teams, how you automatically get the recordings, how you can control sharing them in places like accounts, opportunities, contacts, and cases, and then how you can access and play the recordings when you need them. blueButler automatically records your phone calls and embeds them in your Salesforce org without the user having to do anything, and the recorded calls remain private to the user until they decide otherwise. On the screen shown here, by looking at recent items, you can see the recorded call being embedded. The recorded call automatically appears after the phone call, ready to share and play with a click. Your operational teams become empowered when information that is useful to the operational teams contained in the recorded call is shared in accounts, cases, opportunities, or contacts wherever the user thinks they or someone else could benefit by having access to play the recording, either immediately or at a later time. Now that the call recording has arrived in your Salesforce org, the user can decide whether and where they will share the recording. To share a recording, click on the phone number of the recorded call anywhere in your Salesforce app, then click Edit to select where you want to share the recording. A recent call on this screen was on the Richardson Industries account, so here we click Lookup to select the Richardson account. This recorded phone call on Richardson also impacts the security camera opportunity, so through Lookup we also link the recording to the security camera opportunity. Importantly, comments can be added to the recording for easy identification of the recorded call content so that the recording needed can be found instantly. Additional comments can be added at any time, as may be helpful. Having shared the recorded call in accounts and opportunities as shown, the recording is accessible and can be played right from accounts and opportunities. If the recording had, for example, been shared in leads, contacts, or cases, it would be accessible for view and play in those locations as well. You can view, access, and play recorded calls from just about anywhere in your Salesforce org. For example, if you want to view all calls or any particular call affecting an account, just select the account of interest. On this screen, we have selected the Richardson account. In the Richardson account, we want to listen to the call concerning the competitive offer. The comments attached to the recording make it easy to find the call we were looking for.
Richardson Industries, Julie speaking.
Hi, Julie. It's John from Blue Sky returning your call.
Hi, John. Thanks for getting back to me.
No problem.
I want to let you know we have received a proposal from one of your competitors. Richardson Industries.
In this example, you see recorded calls shared in cases. Not only do you have the recording that may require an immediate response, but there is also a case history of recorded calls labeled for content. In an escalated support case situation, second and third level technical support or management can quickly identify the recorded calls needed to provide a rapid, full response to the case. With blueButler, you get much more value out of your Salesforce app because blueButler automatically captures information you need to load in your Salesforce app. Now you or someone on your behalf can populate recorded information in Salesforce when it is convenient. All you need to do is link the call to contacts with a short comment so that you can find and play the call from contacts when you are ready to put the information into Salesforce.
John speaking.
Hi, John. My name is Julie from Richardson Industries.
Hi, Julie. How can I help you?
Well, John, we are opening up a new manufacturing facility.
The Salesforce One mobile app enables your road warriors to remain in the loop whether they are in the office or on the road. On your mobile device, just click the Salesforce One navigation menu and then click Phone Calls. You will then see a list of phone call recordings that have recently been shared in Salesforce. You will have key details on each call, and based on comments, tags, and the owner associated with the call, you can select the calls you need to listen to by clicking the phone number and then play.
Richardson Industries, Julie speaking.
Hi, Julie. It's John from Blue Sky returning.
In this part of the video, you will see specific examples of how embedded recordings in your Salesforce org immediately impact performance improvements in your sales team, service desk, and your inside order desk. Good service is critical to your sales effort. blueButler will drive customer service as it enables management to focus coaching and training where it is most needed. Less experienced sales staff will become more productive as embedded recordings shared in Salesforce make it easy for senior staff, technical support, and management to collaborate and provide guidance throughout the sales cycle. Sales proposals will be more effective when your sales staff have continuing access to proposal information contained in recordings in accounts, cases, and opportunities. Your sales team will always be in the loop on account activity, as all calls affecting the account, from technical support to project management, will be embedded in Salesforce, and your sales team will get notifications of such activity. Management can make the right decisions to improve sales and service, as they can hear firsthand what your customers are actually saying and how they are actually being served. Your service desk will resolve cases much faster. The information recorded in frontline phone calls is available in Salesforce cases for immediate response by second and third level support. Service staff will become much better at what they do, as supervisors and managers can focus coaching and training on calls easily identified by call tags and comments associated with the recording. Service staff have access to their own recordings and therefore have an ongoing capability for self-awareness and self-improvement. Management is empowered to improve customer service having first-hand information as to what customers are actually saying about your products and services. You can accelerate sales with audio signatures binding business over the phone. You can attach sales orders to the audio file in Salesforce for a secure, accurate record of each transaction. He said, she said disputes with customers or third parties can be resolved quickly and effectively by reference to the recorded conversations that gave rise to the dispute. You should never miss another sales lead generated on an inside sales phone call. blueButler not only tracks all of your sales leads with tags, it also embeds the information in leads, accounts, and/or opportunities. blueButler brings game-changing information and empowerment to all of your operational teams and will drive immediate, dramatic, and sustained improvements in your sales performance and customer satisfaction. blueButler works with your existing phone system, so you can start now by clicking Get It Now on the blueButler app listing on the Salesforce App Exchange, or by calling 1-877-730-2583.